Good day, ma'am. I am Liza Michana and this is my short video. Political institutions and administrative agencies are two interconnected entities that play vital roles in shaping and executing governance. They work in tandem to establish, implement, and enforce laws, ultimately impacting the lives of citizens and overall well-being of society. Roles and functions. Political institutions. These are the structures, rules, and organizations that define the political landscape of a nation. They primarily focus on policy formulation, decision making, and representation, such as legislature and executive. Administrative agencies. These entities focus on the day-to-day implementation and execution of government policies. They possess expertise in specific areas and translate political directives into practical action. Examples such as Department of Education, Environmental Protection Agency, and Department of Health. The collaboration between political institutions and administrative agencies is essential for effective governance. This interdependency is evident in the following processes: law creation, policy implementation, law enforcement. Here is the real-world example: education reform. Political institutions and administrative agencies often collaborate on education reform initiatives. For example, state legislatures may pass laws to improve education standards, while state education agencies work with local, local school districts to implement these reforms. This collaboration may involve developing new curriculum, providing professional development for teachers, or establishing accountability measures.